increasing input resistance really an advantage or drawback? Increasing the input resistance of a device is an advantage or a drawback for the device?
So, like, if we increase the resistance, won't there be a lot of power loss?
This input resistance is actually virtual resistance. You cannot actually locate this input resistance in a transistor. We are just measuring it. Okay. So this will, since you cannot visualize this resistance, it will not actually add up to the power loss. So it is a virtual resistance seen from the input side of your transistor. And what we are saying here is, since I am adding Re, it will increase the input resistance of the amplifier. So when the input resistance of the amplifier is going to increase by a considerable amount, this will benefit you or it is going to pull you down. I am just asking in that angle. I told in the very first class, for any circuit, input resistance should be very large, output resistance should be very small. Then only you will have effective transfer of power. Okay, so here, since by adding Re, my input resistance is going to be increasing, it is going to ensure that my transistor is going to draw very much less current from the source. So my source is going to be very, very safe. So transistor is going to be highly stable. From stability factor angle also, we said that by adding Re, stability value is getting reduced, so the Q point is stabilized. By mathematically, by computing Ri, we found that with Re, my Ri is going to increase, which means that my transistor is going to be highly stable when an external source is connected along with that to the base of my transistor. Is that clear to everybody? So first parameter we have seen current gain. Current gain is very simple, minus HFE. The second parameter we have derived what is the input resistance Ri. The input resistance Ri is going to be HIE plus 1 plus HFE into Re. The second term is coming purely because of addition of the emitter resistance Re. Any queries you have here you can ask regarding input resistance. I again say this RE is physically seen by you, RE, RL and all. But this HIE and this RI, all these are not physically seen by you. They are present because of the different ohmic contacts present inside the transistor. Okay, you cannot physically see HIE inside a transistor. All what you can see is only the 3 pins coming out, emitter, base and collector. The resistors which you connect externally can be seen, but the resistance present inside your transistor cannot be seen physically. Once you come to your devices lab, you'll understand all that. Okay, so is the computation of input resistance clear? Shall we go to the next parameter?
Sir, so higher the input resistance, higher will be the amplification, right?
Yes, I will put it this way. When the input resistance is higher, the input current is less, correct? So the current
Yes, sir.
gain is output current by input current. When input current is less, current gain will be more, correct?